Here I have TCL Top 10s NxtPaper, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So let me take one photo just like this with this effect enabled, then I'll show you how you can turn it off. So you just go to settings, scroll down to the bottom, and here you can find mirror camera. So when you have this feature disabled, your front photos will look like this, and when you have it enabled, they will look like this. So as you can see here I have lightning on the right side, but it's actually on the right side, and here I have it on the left side. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.